Hey everybody, so today we are going to be talking about the 511 XBT D3 100% full-size flashlight. I mean, this is how big this flashlight is. It covers, I would say, 3 of my hands. It's built like a rock. I absolutely love it. It has some weight to it. It performs like a beast. You got your different outputs right here. I love the fact that you have this rubberized grip, so if you set it down, it's not going to roll off, especially if you put it on your car. It's not going to go anywhere. It stops on each one. And one of the things that I love about it is that if you really want to see, this puts out 1,231 looms for 2 hours, going up to 188 meters. So this flashlight is an absolute beast. When I use it at nighttime, I try not to. I have some smaller flashlights and I try to use those instead, but I'm really looking for something. This is my go-to. Don't carry it. It's really heavy. I'm gonna say, whew, it's gonna weigh, if you took maybe 6 D-size batteries, I'm just thinking that's pretty much how much it's gonna weigh. And I wouldn't want to carry it all day, but unless I'm actually looking for something. Use standard thumb press here. And then what I like about it as well is that you can just do a little sneaky peek, just press it just a little bit and it comes on, and then you turn it on, and then that's it. So this flashlight does not at all disappoint. So at the 1,231 looms, the batteries last for 2 hours. On low, you're gonna get 100 looms and it actually lasts for 72 hours. On high, you're looking at 188 meters. On low, you're looking at 57 meters as far as how far that beam is going to go. It's impact resistant to 1 meter, which means you can drop it up to 1 meter. But like I said, with those rubberized notches, it doesn't let it go anywhere once you set it down. It's water resistant to IPX4 standards. You can just feel the quality in these. It feels like my diving flashlights, but you can't take it underwater. Look at that spring that pushes everything in there. I'm talking high quality. It's going to use these 4D batteries. They suggest to use Duracell. These are some replacement batteries I got while I was out on the road. They seem to work just fine. I haven't had to replace them yet. I have no problems, no complaints at all. Forever. If you're using this as, like, say you're doing security, it's going to work perfect, especially if you're trying to see all the way across a warehouse or a store. It's nighttime, parking lot, whatever the case is. This is a light that is going to work for you. It's an ultimate torchlight, really, whether you're on patrol, for tactical uses. It's got rugged, heavy-duty construction, energy-saving performance. It saves you on batteries. That's one of the things that I like. I'm sorry, 3D batteries. I think I said 4 earlier, but it's 3 batteries, 3D size battery. Even though it's big, and like I said, it does have some weight to it because it's made out of the Aerospace Grade aluminum. This seems to be not as heavy as it could be. Like I said, it weighs about, I say 6 D batteries. That's about the weight that you're gonna get out on that. Gold-plated contacts, got a regulated circuit for maximum output. And that anti-roll design, it prevents loss in water and impact, so you don't have to worry about dropping this off the hood of your car and it falling to the ground, or if you're, say, changing your tire, you set it down next to you and it's going to be there when you pick it back up again. So those are some of the things that I absolutely love about this. One of the other things I like is because of the length of this, you can literally support the weight by putting this on your shoulder, looking around with it that way, and then just pressing that light when you need to. It's made in the USA, down in California to be exact. It all comes in black. They only make them in black. And since it's a tactical flashlight, then that makes a lot of sense. So this is something that if you're looking for a house flashlight, especially if the lights go out, if you're looking for something to put into your car for a long trip, or If you are out on a boat and you just need to shine some light across to find the shore, this actually does the job and it works. That's the packaging that it comes in. Pretty straightforward. 1,231 looms, 2 hours. You can't get any better than that, really. I have not used any of these high-grade flashlights ever, and this seems like it's going to be a flashlight that I'm not going to have to replace ever or have any complaints about. It's got a limited lifetime warranty on it, so all you have to do is just contact 511 and you can go from there in case anything ever happens with it. They've been around for a long time. Their stuff stands for itself. I constantly see 5 stars all over the place with it, so you're not gonna be disappointed with this 511 Tactical XBT D3 flashlight that only comes in black. You guys have a great day.